Hello and welcome. Let's solve this question on angle properties of a circle. The figure below, XCT is a tangent to a circle ABYC at C, and Y is the midpoint of arc BC. If angle BXC is equals to 28 degrees and angle BCA is equals to twice angle ACX, find the sides of the following angles, giving reasons. We have the first one, so the figure is there. The first one is find angle CBA, that is 2 marks. Then there is B, angle CBY, 2 marks. Part C, angle BAY, 2 marks. Part D, angle BCT, 2 marks. And then the last question is given that AX is equals to 10 centimeters and XC is equals to 12 centimeters. Calculate the length of BX. So those are the questions. So we go to the first part. So the first part, CBA. Now the best thing to do when you're solving this question is first to use all the properties that you know. Always ensure that you are cognizant of all the angle properties of a circle. Feel all the angles that you'll be able to feel. And then after that, you could go to the questions. So let me read through what you're given. Angle BXC is 28 degrees. BXC that is given them. Then Y is the midpoint. Y is the midpoint of arc BC. So look at arc BC. Arc BC is here. So if Y is the midpoint, then it means BY is equivalent to YC. I repeat that. If Y is the midpoint of arc BC, then it means BY is equivalent to YC, and therefore these sides will be equal. So BY is equals to YC. Then for this one, angle BCA is equals to twice angle ACX. Since we don't know any of those angles, we can let let's say this angle, which angle is this, ACX. We can let this angle ACX to be maybe represented by A, letter A. Therefore, since angle BCA is twice that angle, this will therefore be 2A. That is the first thing to do. Then from there, trying to look at all the ways or the properties I can use to feel all these angles. Like you to look at this angle. Look at this angle here. Angle ACX, that is angle A, is in the alternate segment with this angle that is here. So angle A, considering that this is the tangent, and you have this segment here, and you have, so there's this segment and there's this segment here. So this angle ACX is in the alternate segment with this, and therefore this angle A is the same here. So those angles are equal. And after feeling that, we can now consider, if you consider this triangle BCX, look at that triangle BCX, we can manage to calculate something there. So the sum of all the angles in that triangle should give 180. So therefore, if I take angle A plus angle 2A plus A, then plus 28 degrees, that should give 180. So the sum of angles, so these plus these plus these should give 180, and therefore this will be 3A 4A plus 28 is equals to 180. So here 4A is equals to 152. If you take 28 to the right hand side, and this one will divide both sides by, if if you divide both sides by 4, you get 152 divided by 4, and that will give 38. That will give 38 degrees. 38 degrees. And therefore, this angle is 38. So this one will be 38. Then this one will be twice that. So it will be 38 times 2. This will be 76 degrees. And then this one is 38 degrees. So after getting that, I can still feel other angles. So look at this straight line that is here. Look at this straight line. So the sum of angles here, I can be able to get that. But before that, there's still another angle I can get. I can get this angle considering this triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, where we have this is 38, this one is 76. So sum of angles in a triangle again is equals to 180. So I'll get this one by taking 180 degrees, subtract 38 plus 76. So I'm getting this angle that is here. So this angle plus this should give 180. So this one will give, so 180 subtract the sum of 38 plus 76. This angle will be 66. 66 degrees. Then from there, there's another angle I can feel. Look at this angle here, angle Y and the angle A. And then consider these A, B, C, Y. That one is a cyclic quadrilateral. And what do we know about that? That the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral should add up to 180. So when I take this angle A plus angle Y, that should give 180. And therefore, this angle Y will be given by 180 subtract 66. 180 subtract 66, and that will give 114. So this angle is 114. If this angle is 114, and considering this triangle BYC, this one is an isosceles triangle, and therefore this angle is equals to this. So we simply need to just take 180 subtract 114, and then the two angles that are remaining here, sum will be 66. So therefore this one will be 33. So this will be 33. So this will be 33. So that when you add now this angle plus this, you should get 180, the sum of angles in a triangle. Then there's another angle still we can get. Look at this angle, TCY, this angle that is here. It is in the alternate segment with this angle that is here. So this angle is in the alternate segment, considering that this is a tangent, and then you have this segment here. So this angle that is here, angle TCY, is in the alternate segment with this angle that is here, 33. So therefore this is also 33 degrees. Also, you could have obtained that angle by simply taking these angles. This is a straight line, so the sum of these angles you can add and verify that when you take 38 and then you add 76 and then you add 33 plus 33, that is 66, you notice you get 180. The other angle that I can get here is this angle. This one is a triangle CAX. So we have 28 plus 38. So 28 plus 38, and then the remaining angle here will be 114. So this angle here should be 114. What have I used to get that? This is a triangle, and the sum of angles in a triangle should give that is 180. 180. Now, after filling everything, now we can go to the questions. We have used all the properties that we know, and we filled all the angles. So we go to the question. The first one is this one here, angle CBA. So CBA is this angle, that is here. So that angle is 38, and is actually the one that is here. So that angle is 38 degrees. And which reason did we give? We gave this reason here. The angles in the alternate segment. This angle, we got this angle here, A. It is in the alternate segment with this. So the reason, you can give any valid reason that you used. It is not a must for you to have one reason for an angle. It may have, you may get it by using any other reason, as long as the reason is valid. So this is angles in the alternate segment are equal. That is the reason. Then the other one is CBY. So we have CBY. So CBY, this is 33. And the reason we gave here, the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So CBY is 33 degrees. And the reason that we've given is the base angles, of an isosceles triangle are equal. That is the reason. Then the other angle is angle BAY. So BAY is the other one. So BAY. I don't have to draw a line. BAY. Let me draw a line so that we may see that angle properly. So BAY is this angle. BAY. It is this angle. That is here. So that one is a different one. So this angle that is here. So that angle, we can get it by using this one is angle subtended by the same chord. So I'd like you to look at this chord that is here, chord BY. Chord BY is subtending that angle BAY, and also the same chord is subtending this angle BCY. So therefore this angle here, 33, is equivalent to this angle. Angle subtended by the same chord at the circumference. So this is the chord that is subtending this angle BAY, that angle, and also this angle here BCY. So therefore this angle is also 33. So that angle is 33. So the reason that you have given, angles subtended by the same chord at the circumference are equal. Then the other one is BCT. So BCT. So B is here. So B is here. C is here. Then T. So look at this angle BCT. So the whole of this angle, that is here. So you can see these are two angles that we already obtained, and the BCT. So this is 33 plus 33, that is 66. The reason that we use them, remember we use angles in the alternate segment and also the sum of angles on a straight line. So this angle is 33 plus 33, so that angle is 66. That angle is 66. And we can just give one reason that we used. Sum of angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees, and that is all about the angles. Now we can go to the other question. Given that AX is equals to 10 and XC is equals to 12, calculate the length of BX. So AX is 10. So AX is here, it is 10, and we also given that XC is 12. XC, this is 12 centimeters, this is 10 centimeters. We are supposed to calculate the length of BX. So BX, the whole of this angle here. Not the whole of this angle, but the whole of this length. BX. So since we don't know this part here, BA, we can let BA to be presented by, let's say, X centimeters. Now, which property are we going to use to get that length? Now, look at this line. This one is a tangent. TX is a tangent. Then this one is a secant. This is a chord that is extended outside the circle. So tangent secant property is what you're going to use. And how does it state? Using these points that you have here. The tangent secant property says if we take XC squared right here, XC squared, square that, that will be given by AX multiplied by XB. AX multiplied by XB. So this is the property, the tangent secant property. This is a tangent XC squared is equals to AX multiplied by XB. So we just use that, and we are going to get the solution. So this is how we do it. So XC squared is equals to AX times XB. So AX is 10, not AX, but sorry, XC is 12. XC is 12 squared is equals to AX is 10, then multiply by XB. Now remember that XB is here. XB is 10 plus X. 10 plus X be 10 plus X. So 10 plus X, like that. And this one will give 144. So 144 is equals to 10. This is 100 plus 10. This is a 10x. So therefore 10x makes 10x the subject, will be given by 40. 44. You just take this one to this side, you get 144, subtract 100. That is why we are getting 44. 10x is equals to 44, and therefore x is equals to 4.4. So therefore bx, remember bx was, you're supposed to get that on by adding. Bx will be x plus 10, that is ba plus ax. So x plus 10, x plus 10, x plus 10, and therefore this will be, x will be 4.4 plus 10, and this one will be 14.4 centimeters. And that is how you're supposed to solve that question.